Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. I can't believe I'm saying this. Today, we have the 2021 Aston Martin DBX. Today is the day of dreams. In today alone, I've driven the Roma, I've driven the new Escalade, I've driven the CT4V, and now the DBX. Like, you can't get a much better day than today. And listen to that sound. This is in Sport Plus mode. Everything's nice leather lined. I mean, everywhere is leather lined. Here's your Aston Martin umbrella, which is probably more than my car. I mean, that is like the nicest umbrella I've held. It actually says made in England all right here. You can raise or lower it. Rocking Pirelli Scorpion Zeros. Here's the crazy part. This is rocking 325s in the rear. What's it? 285s up front. So it's a lot of tire for this car. Aha. So there's the hood release. I'm gonna pull it twice in case it's one of those. On the kick plate you see DBX hand built in Wales. Never opened the hood on an Aston Martin, so there we go. And there it is, the 4-liter twin-turbo V8. Final inspection. Thank you, Chris, for final inspecting this car. If you're watching this, please send me one. You know, I'll do the final inspection by driving it around the block. I'm fine with that. It is a dual clamping mechanism. You just go through like so. Plenty of rear seat space in the DBX. And look at that. It's just absolutely sensational. You have heated and cooled seats back here. Alcantara all throughout. I mean, the leather is some of the best leather I've ever felt. And now, maintaining Aston's heritage, where you open up the doors, they do go up at an angle to match the wings on the Aston Martin badge. Speaking of, this is the largest Aston Martin badge fitted to any production Aston Martin. Double paned glass. Dual sun visors. So you have that one here, and this one that you can, please don't. You know, I'm not even gonna try because I can't afford this car, so. Touch sensitive LEDs. There's that panoramic sunroof. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead. Take a look at the window sticker. So this one's lunar white over all Oxford tan leather. 542 horsepower twin turbo V8, 9-speed automatic. So optional leather color. The bright bonnet blades, which are the silver on the hood. The heated sports steering wheel, which is this here, which is a flat bottom design. Indulgence pack, the convenience pack, the umbrella, which is actually $300. That's a lot cheaper than I thought. And the 22-inch sport gloss black, I believe, wheels. That's what I'm thinking it's referring to. All in, this is $192,386. $192,386. And in case you're wondering, no, the hood release, there's none on this side. I mean, look at the amount of leather that is just over the speaker covers. There's leather. I've never, ever been in a car like this. If you look, all the vehicle icons are DB5s. Nice hark back to, of course, James Bond. Putting it in drive is nice and simple. To go into manual mode, you hit the paddles. Let's go for a drive and see what this thing is all about. You can tell that's a very different sounding turn signal. It's a much deeper tone. It's not your typical click, click, click kind of thing. It's very, very deep and significant. It's pretty neat. And that's the best part of this car. This is a driver's SUV. There's not a lot out there, like your Urus, however you want to pronounce it. It's sensational. That's at 4,000 RPM. Let's just put that into perspective. Redline is just shy of 7K. Do one quick pull here. Like what? The paddles, they are metal, as they should be. They feel phenomenal to the touch. They stay in place, which is a little weird. You kind of have to get used to that, but I've gotten used to it. I've driven this for about 20 minutes. Start-stop button is up here. For those who are curious to what the key looks like, this is, I believe, your valet key. It says Aston Martin on the side. Do not go. The burbles and backfires on downshifts are absolutely amazing. It sounds like the Vantage, which I think this is a derivative of what's found in the Vantage, if not the exact same motor. Oh my god, I'm in love with this car. It is probably my favorite SUV I've ever driven, and that says a lot. And you have to be completely conscious because the speed sneaks up on you so easily. Even in Sport Plus mode, harshest suspension setting, it's not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead, put it into drive, let it shift for itself, because I ran into Redline last time. Actually, what's nice is when you have the normal key, I do believe it's a crystal key, so you can stick the key right there on display for everyone to see, which the crystal key is something to behold. It's just, don't hit the Aston. It's just something, that's why stop lines exist, guys. So don't, if I were to stop any more forward, he would have hit the car. But honestly, the craftsmanship, this is all hand built. This isn't built on an assembly, well, in a roundabout way it is. But just everything you touch is leather, except for the headliner, which is Alcantara and suede. Even the airbag logo is suede. Like, under $200,000, I can't think of a more luxurious vehicle than the DBX. I mean, I've driven a Rolls-Royce Dawn, and honestly, this kind of feels a little bit more luxurious. I'm a huge sucker for brown leather anyway, so that's a huge reason why right there. All right, let's give it the goose. Oh my God. What? On all things holy, it shouldn't be that fast. Individual GT, Grand Touring mode, about as relaxed as you can get. And it's still a phenomenal car. Still have the performance, everything you need. You also have terrain plus. Grand Touring. Individual mode. Sport. Sport Plus increases your idle speed as well. I can't get over that panoramic sunroof. That's... Why am I in love with these things? This is only the second Aston Martin I've ever driven. And good God, is it the best. Actually, no, third or fourth. Forgot about... This is the second Aston Martin I've ever reviewed. I mean, even after stepping out of a Ferrari Roma, like... it's sensational. I'm gonna put it into GT mode, Grand Touring mode. Coming into Cadillac. And we can, when I go to park this, you can see kind of the cars they have in inventory. Oh yeah. That's some nice inventory. Into reverse. I completely botched that up. This is probably the most stressed I've ever been parking a car. That's good there. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.